Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. In the previous video, we have revised our chapter 7, Adjective Describing Words. There we get to know about the adjective and types of adjectives. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the exercises of this chapter 7, Adjective Describing Word. Here I have given you homework. Circle the adjectives in the following sentences. I have given you homework up to question 7. This is an Indian temple. Now we are going to solve our exercises. Here your question 8 is here. Your question 8 is a fierce dog bark at me. Here the word fierce is adjective here. Now the next one, a few puppies are there with a bitch. Here the word few is adjective. Few is adjective here. Now the next last one, my bag is big. My bag is big. Here the word big is adjective here. You can see, my dear students, in this question you have to circle the adjectives in the following. The word empty, cold, clean, green, rotten, tall, beautiful, Indian, fierce, few, big. They all are adjectives. They all are adjective. Here you can see on page number 42, question B, C, D is given there. First B question is fill in the blanks with suitable adjective from the box given below. Here you can see that adjectives are given here. You have to choose from the box and write it down. Now we are going to solve it. Here you can see the word cold, large, short, free, high, sweet, poor, playful. Here adjectives are given. You have to fill it. Your first question is, this ice cream is very dash. Then what is the taste of ice cream? Is sweet. Your answer is sweet. Sweet is adjective here. Now the next one, it is very dash in winter. Then what is suitable adjective here? We all know that it is very cold in winter. Cold in winter. Now the next question, question 3. The shopkeeper is giving away dash gift to his customers. Then what is the correct answer here? Free gift. Free gift. The shopkeeper is giving away free gifts to his customer. To his customer. Now the fourth one, they live in a dash house. Then what is the size of the house? Large. They live in a large house. Okay, the suitable adjective here, the word large. Now fifth question, Mala is wearing a dash skirt. Then your answer is short. Mala is wearing a short skirt. S-H-O-R-T, short. Now the next one, question 6. The climbers are climbing up a dash hill. Your answer is high hill. High hill. Now seventh one, these puppies are very dash. These puppies are very dash. Then puppies are very playful. Very playful. Here the word adjective is playful. And the last one, eighth one, many poor people have no food. Many dash people have no food. Then what is the suitable adjective here? Poor. The word poor is adjective here. Many poor people have no food. Now come to the next question. See, look at the underlined word in the following sentences. Do you know what kind of adjective are they? Write them down. Here what you have to do? Here the underlined word in the following sentences are given. You have to write there what kind of adjectives they are or are they, and we have to write them in the given space. Now here the first question is, Raja has 2 pair of shoe. Raja has 2 pair of shoes. Then what kind of adjective here? Here the adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. Okay? Because 2 is number here. Adjective is number. Adjective of number tells us how many persons, animals or things are there. Then how many pair of shoe here? 2 pair of shoe. That is why this is adjective of number. Now the second one, Rohit is a lazy boy. The word lazy underlined here. Lazy. Rohit is a lazy boy. Here adjective of quality. It is the quality of a boy that Rohit is lazy. Rohit is lazy boy. Here the word lazy is adjective of quality. Now come to the next sentence. Question 3. There are some food left. There are some food left. So here the word some. Some is adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity tells us how many people or things are there. How many peoples are there. So here the word some is adjective of quantity. Now fourth one, which bird is this? Which bird is this? So here the word which. The word which. We know that here the word which is interrogative adjective. Then what is interrogative adjective here? The adjective used with noun to ask questions. Here what is noun here? Bird. So this is an interrogative adjective. Always interrogative adjective ask a questions. Okay, remind it. Now the next fifth one, this is mine pen. This is mine pen. Here you know that this, the word this is demonstrative pronoun. Then what is demonstrative pronoun? A word which demonstrate or point out the concerned person or things. Here the thing is pen. So this pen is mine. It point out that this pen is mine. That is why this, the word this is demonstrative adjective here. Okay. Now the next sixth one, the American flag has 3 colors. The American flag. Then what kind of adjective here? Adjective of origin. From where the flag belongs to? American. This is American flag. So this is adjective of origin here. Now the seventh one, my eyes are black. My eyes are black. So here the word my is possessive adjective. Is possessive adjective because it shows that the possession of that this my, whose eye, my eyes are black. That is why this is possessive adjective. Now the eighth one, an old building. An old building. Here the word old. Old is adjective of quality. It shows that this building is old. This building is old. This is adjective of quality. Adjective of qualities. Okay. We know that the adjective of quality tells us of the quality of person, place or things. Here the thing is old building. Place. Here the place is old building. That is why this is adjective of quality. Now the ninth one, a huge balloon. Here the word huge is adjective of quality. It shows that the balloon is huge. Okay, the thing is balloon here, then which is huge. That is why it is adjective of quality here. Now the last one, 10th one, the sum is difficult for me. The word difficult is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. It tells us the quality of things that the sum is difficult for me. The sum is difficult for me. Your answer is adjective of quality. Now come to the next one, D. Complete the following sentences using suitable adjective. Here you can see it is given on page number 42. Complete the following sentences using suitable adjective. First one is lemon is sour but sugar is sweet. We know that we have to complete it with suitable adjective. Here adjective sour and sweet, they both are adjectives. Okay. Now the next one, this knife is not sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Sharp means sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Spelling of sharp is S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Next one, third one, Ramu is an honest worker. H-O-N-E-S-S-T. H-O-N-E-S-T, honest worker. Okay. Now fourth one, a good enemy is better than a bad friend. What is your answer here? A good is adjective here. Then what is suitable adjective for good? Bad. A good enemy is better than a bad friend. Now come to the next one, last one. Question number 5. An honest man is liked by all. Here the word honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest is adjective here. Then you have to fill it the word honest, H-O-N-E-S-T. Now come to the next page, page number 43. Match the adjective with the correct picture. Here adjectives are given one side and another side pictures are given. You have to match the adjective with the correct picture. Here first picture is of ice cream. Then what is the correct adjective of ice cream? Ice cream is cold. Ice cream is cold. Then you have to match ice cream with the word adjective old. Now the second one, here you can see the parachute. It is huge in size. Huge, H-U-G-E, huge. You have to match with the adjective huge. Now here you can see next picture is of red fort. This is old. Okay. Here you have to match with the word adjective old. Now next side picture. Now the next picture is of pig. Okay. You know that the pig is ugly. Okay. Then you have to match the picture of pig with the adjective ugly. Now the next picture is of a boy and he is tall. Here the adjective is tall here. Then you have to match the picture of boy with the adjective tall. Now the last picture is of fire. Then here you know the fire is hot. Then you have to match the adjective and picture hot. Okay. Now come to the next one. F. Frame sentences using each of the following words as adjectives. Here you know that adjectives are given. You have to frame the sentencing using each of the following words. Okay. Now first adjective is beautiful. Then your answer is Rita is a beautiful girl. Then you have to underline also the word beautiful here. The next one, big. Adjective is big. Then Mr. Verma has a big house in Mumbai. Then what is adjective here? Big. Next word is colorful. And your sentence is she wore a colorful dress yesterday. Fourth one, playful. The child is quite playful by nature. Here the word playful is adjective. Now the fifth one, poor. The people living here are mostly poor. The people living here are mostly poor. The word poor is adjective here. Now to come to the next one, sad. He looks to be sad. Next one, seventh one, large. My grandfather lived in a large house in the village. My grandfather lived in a large house in the village. Eighth one, small. That car was very small. Ninth one, naughty. She is a naughty child. Now the 10th and last one, honest. His servants are honest. The word honest is adjective here. Now my dear students, in this video we have completed our revision of chapter 7, adjective describing word. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. And now it's time for your homework. In the previous video I have given you a question A. Circle the adjective in the following sentences, and here is your answer. I hope you all have done your homework in your notebook. And now it's time for homework. Your question B. Fill in the blanks with using suitable adjective from the box is given, and your sentences is also given. You have to do question B, C and D and F in your notebook, as well as you have to fill your textbook also. I hope you all will do your homework and you all will fill your textbook also. Thank you so much. God bless you.